You are driving along, and suddenly your steering wheel feels like it is made of solid lead, or maybe it is twitching under your hands, like it has a mind of its own while that annoying check engine light stares you in the face. This is exactly what happens when your car throws a P0637 code, which basically means your power steering control circuit is seeing a voltage that is way too high for its own good. This is a generic OBD2 trouble code, so it could pop up on your Saturn, Renault, Dodge, or even a high-end Mercedes made any time from 1996 to today. Think of this circuit as the brain that tells your steering how much muscle to put in based on how fast you are going. And when the PICM, or the power control module, detects these sky-high electrical signals, it freaks out and sets the code to protect the hardware. You might hear some nasty whining noises when you turn or feel a sudden stiffness that makes parking a total nightmare. And honestly, it is a huge safety issue if you do not handle it right away. The first thing you should do is grab your phone and look up the TSB, or technical service bulletins, for your specific model, because sometimes the manufacturer already knows about a weird software glitch or a specific wire that always breaks, and that could save you hours of head scratching. Check your fluid levels first, because if it is low or leaking, the pressure switches will send crazy signals to the controller. Then you really need to get under there and look at the wiring for any bare spots where it might be rubbing against the frame or engine block, because a short to power is a classic reason for a high voltage reading. Do not overlook the ground strap either, because a loose or rusty ground can cause the voltage to float and trigger this DTC. If you are handy with a multimeter, you want to check for 0 ohms of resistance during continuity tests with the power off. Remember that this circuit often involves the SEI on or controller area network, and if that communication is messy, you might get a bunch of other ghost codes popping up alongside this one. So stay focused on the physical connections and the integrity of the power steering pressure.